Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you guys about the main difference between hub and gateway. A hub is a basically multi-port repeater. A hub connects multiple wires coming from different branches. For example, the connector in star topology, which connects different stations. One of the other very common terms you will hear is default gateway. So, what is the default gateway? It's basically the device that connects your local network to the outside world. Default gateways are only used when communicating with remote networks. Example, the Internet. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment on my video. Hub versus gateway. Hubs are connection points for the devices in a network and are used to connect segments of a local area network. Hub is made of multiple ports, and when a packet arrives at one of the ports, it gets copied to the other ports to enable other segments of the LAN to see all the packets. Whereas a networking gateway is a network node used mainly in telecommunications to connect to different networks with different transmission protocols together. Gateway has, therefore, been designed to be protocol converters that facilitate compatibility between two protocols and operate on any layer of the OSI. Definition of hub. The hub is also called as the multiport repeater, which transmits the amplified signal to each port, excluding the one from which the signal was received. A hub is used to link the networking devices physically for communication and successfully generate multiple hierarchies of stations. Hubs are unable to perform intelligent forwarding and process layer 2 and layer 3 information. It makes the decision on the basis of physical addressing instead of hardware and logical addressing. The hub cannot distinguish the type of the frame. That is the reason it forwards unicast, multicasts, and broadcasts to every other port except originating port. The multiple LAN cables are connected to the hub with the help of the RJ45 connector. These LAN cables can be at maximum 100 meters long to form a huge network of the enormous nodes. The hub can be linked in a hierarchical manner. The hub behaves as a linking device, which works in a half-duplex mode, where either transmission and reception of the data by the host is permitted at a time. Types of hub. Active hub. The active hub is one which provides the amplification and regeneration of the signals along with the connection. Passive hub. The passive hub works as a connector and connects multiple cables together, but there is no amplification and regeneration of the signal. Definition of gateway. A gateway operates on all 7 layers of OSI model. A gateway works as a protocol converter. A router can accept and transfer packets only across a network using similar protocols. But a gateway can accept and transfer the packet across networks using a different protocol. A gateway is software installed within a router. A gateway accepts a packet which is formatted for a protocol. the steps performed by a gateway. When it accepts a packet formatted in a protocol, are as follow. A gateway accepts a packet which is formatted for a protocol. Example Apple Talk, used by the sender's network. It then converts that packet to be formatted for another protocol. Example TCP/IP, used by the receiver's network. After converting the format of the packet, a gateway forward that packet to its destination, receiver's network. Sometimes the modification is needed only to header and trailer of the packet, and sometimes a gateway has to adjust the data rate, size, and format of the packet. Hub and gateway differences. Number 1. A hub is a basically multi-port repeater. A hub connects multiple wires coming from different branches. For example, the connector in star topology, which connects different stations. Whereas a gateway, as the name suggests, is a passage to connect to networks that may work upon different networking models. Number 2. Hubs cannot filter data, so data packets are sent to all connected devices. Whereas gateway, they work as messenger agents that take data from one system, interpret it, and transfer it to another system. Conclusion. Hubs connect devices of the same type on the same network. Gateways connect devices of different species that operate on different networks. Hubs cannot filter data, so data packets are sent to all connected devices. In other words, the collision domain of all hosts connected through hub remains one. Also, they do not have the intelligence to find out the best path for data packets, which leads to inefficiencies and wastage. One of the other very common terms you will hear is default gateway. So what is the default gateway? It's basically the device that connects your local network to the outside world. Default gateways are only used when communicating with remote networks, example, the internet. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.